Hi students, I'm going to show you how to change your profile name. This will help Ms. Cervantes and I to determine who you are when we're speaking to you. Okay, so from the stream page, right here, you're going to come over to your picture. You should have your picture or it might have your initials. I'm going to click there. So here's my information. I'm going to click on Manage Your Google Account. Okay, then I'm going to come over to the left. I'm going to click on Personal Info. And then here's where my profile is. Here's my name. I'm going to click here. And here's where I can update my name. So I'm just going to type Jacqueline Riquelme. And then I'm going to click Save. Okay, so that way when you're communicating with me, it's going to show you exactly who you are. So instead of having like a screen name. That's it. Thank you.